Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you fine at home. Today we are going to study the fourth chapter, that is being safe. Okay. So before going to this chapter, they have given one warm up exercise, or you can say one story for you. So open page number 186 and see this picture. So by seeing this picture, you understand what is this story. So I explain this story. See, consider here two members are there, one boy and his mother. Consider that boy name is Rohan. Consider this is not real name of them, and her mother name is Sujata. Just take her mother name as a Sujata. See this picture. In first picture, what they have given? That Rohan, that boy, what he is doing? He take a matchbox and he has taken one stick from that matchbox, and what he is doing? He is rubbing that matchstick on the matchbox. What he is doing? He is rubbing by using matchstick on that matchbox, and what happens? It burns. That stick which burns, and by seeing that Rohan afraid. Okay. So by seeing that, he starting crying and screaming. So after that, her mother Sujata, he listened that voice and he suddenly goes to that place and he saw that what happens. What is Rohan? What you are doing? And after that, what she did? He taken one fire extinguisher. What is that? Fire extinguisher. What is that fire extinguisher? See here in this picture they have given, that is this red and yellow colored cylinder that was called as the fire extinguisher. He taken that cylinder and he just stopped that burning. Okay, so this is the story. So from this, what you understood? We don't play with matchsticks or fire. If you play with that, this will happen. If you want this, you can play. If not, what you have to do? You have to don't play with matchboxes or fire. It may harm. So like Rohan. Okay, it may harm like Rohan. So that's why to prevent this, we don't play with the matchsticks or matchboxes. So this is the one short warm-up story. So now we will see the chapter, that is, so in this chapter they have given how we can be safe at home, how we can be safe outside the home, at school, on the road, on playground, how we can be safe. So we will see. So before going to this concept, what is meant by safety? Yes, safety. What is meant by safety? Safety is nothing but it is the staying away from the harm or danger. It is the staying away from the harm or danger places or the danger things, that we call it as the safety. What is safety? Staying away from harm or danger. Staying away from the harm or a danger, that we call it as the safety. See, so after giving this definition, they have given some activity for you, that is, see in 186 page number 186 and 187. They have given one activity for you, that is, see what Rohan, consider this boy as a Rohan, she is a Tina. What he is doing? He is playing with matchsticks, and she is playing with knife. So by seeing this picture, you will understand that how we can be safe at home. So before going to this activity, we will see some rules. From that we can be safe. Okay, how we can be safe at home? How we can be safe at home? See, first thing, that is, we do not play with the switches and plugs. Okay, see in this picture, they have given, so this picture, what he is doing? So, he is playing with that plugs. So, don't do such things. If you do such things, what happens? You can get a shock, you can get current. So, that's why don't do such things. So, this is the work of your parents or other elder one which are present in your family, but don't do yourself. So, if you do such things, you can get a shock. So, because of that, don't play with switches and plugs. Do not play with switches and plugs. So, if you play with these two things, what happens? You can get a shock. So, that's why don't play with switches and plugs. And also do not play with matchsticks and fire. So, if you play by using matchsticks or fire, what happens? You have seen the example of your Rohan. This example, by seeing this example, you understood that we don't have to play with matchsticks or fire. So, what is the second point? That is, do not play with matchsticks and fire. So, if you play with matchsticks and fire, it may burn your skin. Okay, and it will harm to your skin. So, that's why don't play with matchsticks and fire. And one more thing, that is, do not play with knives and blade and the sharp pointed things. If you play by using sharp pointed object, what happens? It will harm to your body parts. So, to prevent this harm, what you have to do? You have to don't play with the sharp pointed object. So, what is the next point? Don't play with knives and blade Don't play with knives, blade or sharp pointed object. sharp pointed object. So this we are discussing about the some safety rules at home. Okay, so this is the third point. So what is the fourth point? That is, do not touch anything hot. Don't touch the things which are hot. If you touch, what happens? It will burn your skin. Okay, so because of that, what you have to do? Don't touch the hot thing. Do not touch anything hot. So in case if you touch, you don't know that is a hot thing. By seeing each and everything, you don't recognize that thing is hot or cool. So in case you touch the hot things, suddenly you have to inform your elders or your parents who are there in your family. So in case if you touch hot things, what you have to do? You have to inform your parents or to your elder brother, sister who are present in your family. Okay, and one more thing, don't play with switches with wet hands. If your hands are wet, don't touch the switches with wet hands. Why? Because if you touch the switches with wet hands, what happens? You can get a shock. You want that shock? No, na? So what you have to do? You don't touch those switches with wet hands. What is the next point? Do not touch switches with wet hands. Why? Because you can get a shock. Because you can get shock. Okay, so these are the some safety rules that has to follow at your home. So based on this, they have given pictures. See here. First point, what is? Do not play with switches and plugs. See the first picture. What he is doing? He is playing with switches and plugs. Okay, so it is right or wrong? Wrong. Okay, definitely it is wrong. So what you have to do? By using pencils, this playing with switches and plugs is a wrong. So that's what you have to do. Put cross mark in that box. Okay. So what is the next point? Do not play with the matchsticks and fire. See in this picture, he is playing with matchsticks. It is right or wrong? Right? No. So if you playing with this sticks, it will burn your hand. So that's why don't play with matchsticks. So what you have to do? Put right or wrong mark? This is wrong. You have to put cross mark. Okay. So what is the next point? That is, do not play with knives, blade, sharp pointed object. Do not play with knife, blade or sharp pointed object. See in this picture, she is playing with knife. Okay, so this is right or wrong? What I have told here, do not play with the knives. She is playing with knives. It is safe? No, it is not safe. So what you have to do? Take your pencil and put cross mark here. Okay. See this next picture, what he is doing. So by taking that bottle, he used one table. So by using that, on standing that table, he is taking that bottle. Is it safety or no? Yes, it is a safety. Put right mark on this. So what is the second point? That is, do not touch anything hot. Don't touch the things which are hot. If you, in case you don't know that thing is hot or not, if you touch that things, as soon as you have to inform your elders or your parents who are there in your family, the elder from you. Okay. What is the next point? Do not touch switches with wet hands because you can get shock. See, same picture. Don't play with the switches and don't touch that switch box with wet hands. So next picture they have given, she is eating apple. It is a safety or no? Yes, it is a good for health. That's why we have to put right mark here. Here both boy and girl, what they are doing? They are doing study together. So this is the good habit. So put right mark here. So after that we have seen some safety rules at home. After this, one more example they have given, that is, don't play with blade and sharp pointed object. See, here they are using blade for sharpening the pencil. So here I have told that don't use blade. Don't play with blade. So it is safety or no? It is not a safety. It is not a safe. So you have to sharpen your pencil by using sharpener only. Don't sharpen your pencil by using blade. Understood? Don't sharpen your pencil by using blade because it may harm your hands. So to prevent that, what you have to do? You have to sharpen your pencil by using sharpener. Okay. So you have to put, where you have to put right mark, here or here? Here? No. This is not safety. By using blade, it is not a safety. You have to use sharpener for sharpening the pencil. So that's why you have to put right mark here. Okay. So these are the some safety rules which have to follow at our home. Okay. So after this, I'll tell you one hint for you, that is, what you have to do, if you get burned, then what you have to do? Hold that burned area under a cool running water. Do not put only on cool water. It is in running position. Okay. So what you have to do? If your hands or any part of the body get burned, you have to hold that burned area under cool running water. So consider that as a first aid treatment. After that, you can apply some cream on that, or you can make dressing for that. Okay. So this is the first aid. By doing this, what happens? It will give some relief from that burning sensation. It will give relax or relief from that burning sensation. Okay. So remember this point. So what you discussed in this class, being safe. What is a safe? Safe is nothing but staying away from the harm or a danger. After that, we have learned some safety rules that has to be followed at home. These are: do not play with the switch or plugs, do not play with matchsticks and fire, don't play with knives, blades, sharp pointed objects, and do not touch anything which is hot, and don't touch switches with wet hand because you can get a shock from that. Okay, so remember these all points. These have to follow at your home. Okay, so this is the first part of being safe. So in the second part we are going to learn about some safety rules at school, on road, while playing. We will see this concept in the next class. So till that, read this chapter, go through the textbook, read it carefully, see this video once, twice, thrice, and you will understand what is there in this chapter. So then also you have any confusion regarding this chapter, you just contact me, I will solve your problem. So till that, bye bye students, take care, have a nice day.